this video, I'm going to show you the Shopify product description generator. Let's get started. So for example, I have in here the products that I have. So for example, let's head over on this t-shirt. So let's open that, and as you can see, this is the description. It's actually blank. So if you want to open the AI generator, we just need to click on this icon right here that can help us generate text. So click on this one, and then from in here, just put in here the features and keywords that you want. And you can also change in here the tone to be expert, daring, playful, sophisticated, persuasive, and all these things right here. So for me, I'll just choose playful. And for the features and keywords, that puts in here men's t-shirt for beach, for example. So let's put this one right here and then click on generate. So it only takes a few seconds in order to generate right here. So you can see what it looks like. Get ready to make waves in your beach-ready men's t-shirt, perfect for soaking up the sun, and all these things right here. If you don't not want this, you can also just click on generate again, and then this will generate a new thing or a new description for you. For example, you want to keep this, just click on this keep right here, and you can see that this is what it looks like. So you can also add in a few more things if you think that this is insufficient or short enough. So once you're done with everything, just click on save right here. And once you have saved that, it should be ready to go on your products page. So let's preview what it looks like. And then as you can see right here, this is my actual product, and this is the description that we have generated through AI. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.